Hi, Lincoln Músicos guitars. So here's just a quick little tutorial of De Colores, which is a Mexican folk song. It means colors or of the colors in Spanish, and it's a song about springtime and the beautiful colors that you see in the springtime. So here we go. We have a few chords that we need to review. The first one is the G, and I play the full chord, right, which is where I put my first finger on the second fret of the A string and my second finger on the third fret of the low E string, and then my third finger on the third fret of the high E string. So this is my G. If you want to challenge yourself, play that one, but for now, playing the 3-string G chord is just fine too, okay? The next chord that we're going to review is the D7 chord, right? So first finger on the first fret of the B string, second finger on the second fret of the G string, and then third finger on the second fret of the high E string, and there's a D7, right? So there's that, and then we also have the G7, which I know you guys have learned, and we're going to do a quick review. But if you want to play the full chord and you want to challenge yourself, right, you put your first finger on the first fret on the high E, then you put your second finger on the second fret of the A string, and then you put your third finger on the third fret of the low E string, and then you play that beautiful G7 chord. Okay, but right now, if you want to just do the top 3 strings, that's totally fine. And then we have our C chord, right? And so I know some of you are already doing the 3-string C chord, right? But if you want to challenge yourself, then you can do the full C chord with all 6 strings. So then, or actually all 5 strings, just the top 5, okay? So then you do that second fret on the on the D string, and then the third finger on the third fret of the A string, and then there's our C chord, okay? So that's what it is, and we're just going to do the first verse, okay? So here we go. And then remember, I told you that this is a different kind of time signature. So we're used to doing 4/4 time, but this time I'm going to tell you that it's in 3/4. So we're going to be counting to 3, and that's an easier way of putting it. So I'm going to count 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Every time I say 1, you're going to strum on that 1. So it's going to be like this. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Ready? And go. De colores se visten los campos en la primavera. Pajaritos que vienen de afuera. De colores es el arco iris que vemos lucir. And then this is when it goes into the chorus. Okay, so right now, that's just the first verse. So let's try it again all together, okay? Remember, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. De colores se visten los campos en la primavera. De colores son los pajaritos que vienen de afuera. right, first verse done. High five. Good job, guys. And I will put on a second video for the chorus, okay? So keep jamming and rewind and repeat this video if you need to, okay? Keep it up. Good job.